everyone, so today's video is super exciting. I know we have uploaded so many times this week. We did Monday, Tuesday, and now Wednesday, but I got a package at my door yesterday and holy moly, I am so excited to share it with you guys. Like, I am blown away by this package. So right here, as you guys can tell from the title, you're probably like wondering, what is this thing? I have a box from Ipsy here, and this is called the Ipsy Glambag Plus. So we're gonna be learning about this together. I already kind of peeked into it and was like, holy moly, this is so cool. So I was like, we definitely have to unbox this on my channel. Also, make sure to subscribe if you are brand new to kind of like stay up to date with everything. And then also make sure to be following like Ipsy on their socials to kind of stay up to date with what this Glambag Plus is. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and see what it is, because I know you guys are just dying right now. Alrighty, so it came in a box like so. Just gonna open it up. And inside the box, it says, Glambag Plus, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. And then we have a card inside. So first off, I have a personal card from Ipsy, and they say, hi Madison, we love you. Can't wait for your bundle of joy to arrive. Hope you enjoy your sneak peek of the hashtag Ipsy Glambag Plus, XO Ipsy. So yes. All right, so we're gonna read the card. It says, something new is coming to Ipsy. We're so excited to introduce Glambag Plus, a new monthly membership where Ipsters will receive 5 full-size products featuring the buzzy brands you love. It's officially launching later this year, so it's not launched yet. But since all of us at Ipsy are big fans of you and all you do, we want to give you a sneak peek with a complimentary 6-month membership. To activate your account and help us personalize your Glambag Plus experience, please complete your beauty profile at ipsy.com. and then all that fun stuff. So it says, love your bag, tag us at hashtag Ipsy Glambag Plus, XO Ipsy. And then on the back of it, we have a list of all the products with their value, what they are, little tips of how to use them, and the benefits that they give. So, oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. So here we go. How exciting. So let's go ahead and just go through the products. So real quick, it seems like they're gonna be launching a Glambag Plus, and it's going to be later on this year, so you guys are going to find out more as the year goes on. So make sure to be following me on my socials, and make sure to follow Ipsy on their socials to kind of keep up to date with what this is. I feel like we're getting like a little teaser right now. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what we have in here though, but already like, holy crap. Wow. So first off, we have the Sundae Riley CEO C+E Antioxidant Moisturizer, and this retails for $65, you guys. This is full size. I know that you know that Sundae Riley products are not cheap at all, so it's amazing to see a full-size product in here. And it says that it's formulated with advanced vitamin C. This moisturizer dives deep to help protect your skin from environmental stress, for example, pollution, and leaves you looking rejuvenated and radiant. So you use it morning and night, even if you have sensitive skin. All right, so I wanna also feel it to see how it feels on the skin. And dude, oh my God, it smells so good. It smells like a little orange, like those orangecles, you know, those popsicles that are orange. It just smells like one of those. It's nice too. It's a nice thicker cream that blends out really nicely on the skin. I can't wait to use this. I just love the smell of it because it's fruity. And you guys know my fruit cravings like came back like tenfold right now. I kind of like broke away from it a little bit, and now I'm eating it all over again. So we got a full-size Sundae Riley product right there. Sweet. And then next up we have a product from Tarte, and I love it that they bubble wrap this because these blushes could break easily. So here we have the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush, and it retails for $29. And it's in the shade Ascioti. I believe that's how you say it. But here is the color right there. Oh, that is really pretty. That is a really pretty color. Ooh, oh my gosh, yes. I love Tarte's blushes. I think they are so beautiful on the skin, and this is a perfect one for the summertime right now. And it says that this blush pulls double duty by moisturizing your skin and controlling oil. I never knew that. That's interesting. Thanks to Amazonian Clay. What you'll really love is its 12-hour stay power. So that's really awesome. So you just sweep it on the apples of your cheeks, you know, just like how you do with any blush. But that is a really gorgeous color right there. Definitely one that I would use. And it's actually kind of similar to what I'm already wearing on my cheeks right now. I love colors like these. Here we go. We have the next product right here. This is the Morphe 15H Happy Hour Eyeshadow Palette, and it retails for $15 right here. So this is what it looks like right there. And you, oh my God, look at these colors. Oh, these are like the colors that I've been like really, really living for right now. Like, I don't know what it is about warm tones. I used to be all about cool tones, but now I'm like really like digging the warm tones, and these are gorgeous. Let's go ahead and swatch some real quick. I have to go with bottoms up because, hello, that orange. Oh, that is so pretty right there. Look at that. And then let's go for a shimmer, Rooftop. I feel like this is like orange soda, you know? This is beautiful. And on here, it just basically says it's not just an evening palette. This collection of 15 colors includes creamy mattes and neutral and jeweled tones, as well as sparkling centers, fab for cocktails with the girls. And then their tip is just kind of like a little tip of how to put together a look, which is really fun. But dude, hot spot too for the inner corner of the lid. Oh, yes. I don't think I've ever really used mini Morphe palettes. I think the one palette I've used was like the Jaclyn Hill one, but I still don't grab that one all the time. But I have to say, like, these colors right here definitely grab my attention. Like, even, oh, Cheers. It reminds me of like a really pretty like camel brown. Yeah, look at that. They're so pigmented. They're so pigmented. So that will be fun to try out, especially because I haven't really dabbled much into Morphe. All right, so next up we have this guy right here, and this one's really cool. This is the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream. I always want to say Bum Bum Cream, but I believe it's Boom Boom Cream, and it retails for $45 right here. I know that we've had smaller versions in the glam bags before, so I'm really excited to see it in a bigger size. And it smells so good too. And you know who I always see rave about this? I always see Coffee Break with Danny rave about this. She always finds like deals on them and buys them in bulk. And I'm like, dude, I really need to try this out, especially like on my bump. Oh, that would feel so good on my bump. Feels so good. Let's read about it. It says, okay, it's already like winning my heart right now because it says that it tightens and smooths your skin from head to toe. I really need to like tighten and smooth out my skin because boy, has pregnancy put my body through the ringer. It will tighten and smooth your skin from head to toe with nourishing puachu butter. I'm sorry, I'm totally butchering that. Acai and coconut oil. Plus it has a light and yummy pistachio and caramel scent. So tip is heat equals better absorption. Rub it in with circular motions to warm things up and don't stop till it's gone. So you just really want to warm it up into the skin. But dude, it smells so good. I'm gonna use this tonight on my bump and my sides, even a little bit on my bum, you know? But dude, that is awesome, and I'm always down for more lotion. All right, so last but not least here, we have a full-size mascara, and this one is from Buxom. It's their lash mascara, and it retails for $20. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop it out for you guys. You can take a closer look at it. So here we go, we have Buxom, and then this is what the wand. Oh, I like this wand. I love the spikier wands. I don't know why, but I feel like they really like help separate the lashes and allow it not to get clumpy. So I really love the spiky wands. I think that's why I love like the Benefit Roller Lash so much. It's because it just does such a good job at like lengthening the lashes without making them clump. But on here it says that it's packed with vitamins and a clump fighting formula. This mascara will give you the dark, thick lashes of your dreams. We love how the molded brush makes application foolproof. So the tip is it's all about the buildup. Apply as many thin layers as you want to create the look that you crave. So that is awesome. I can't wait to use that one out. I really like that brush, so I'm really excited for that. And then also at the bottom of here, we have a bag, you guys. They even have a bag in here. Dude, and it feels good. Like, I don't even know what type of material this is, but it's like a really nice material. Like, really nice. And then it has a pocket on the front, and then it says Ipsy, and then you just have your little tassel right here with your gold hardware. This would be a really good makeup bag too, like to travel with. But dude, you get a lot in here. Did they say how much this was? They haven't said what the price of this is. They haven't said when exactly it's launching. I am so excited to find out more about the Glambag. Plus, give this video a thumbs up if you guys are excited too. And I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I know it's a little teaser, so don't hate me, but we're all on the same page right now, and just stay tuned because we're gonna find out more soon, I'm pretty sure. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Comment down below if you're super excited for this too, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.